Welcome to the top best. The best Madagascar Toys is probably one of the most fascinating toy collections, inspired by the unique biodiversity of the island nation. These toys bring the exotic wildlife and vibrant culture of Madagascar to life, offering children a chance to explore and learn about the island's incredible animals and their habitats. From lemurs to chameleons, these toys provide a fun and educational experience, sparking curiosity and a love for nature. Number 5. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Refill Kit. This refill kit comes with 3 pounds of rocks from Madagascar. It may include rose quartz, jasper, and more. You'll have an awesome assortment of rocks to treasure. The rock polishing grit in this pack is high-quality silicon carbide. It can polish 8 to 10 pounds of rocks. It also includes a measuring scoop and storage containers for easy storage. Ceramic tumbler media makes the entire rock tumbling process more effective. It improves grit delivery, quiets noise, reduces rock breakage, and acts as a filler for smaller batches. Gemfoam is a unique new rock polisher media. It gives unprecedented shine to tumbled rocks. Just add it to your tumbler after the final grit cycle for great results. The National Geographic STEM series provides high-quality products that are a whole lot of fun. If your experience is anything less than extraordinary, let us know so we can make it right for you. What we like. This kit uses high-quality grit for a dazzling polish. It also includes ceramic media to improve the tumbling process, and Gemfoam for unprecedented shine. If you are looking to achieve the best possible results and make your rocks truly shine, you should consider this one. What people say. Everything is included except the rocks, tumbling compound and water. Good clear instruction. Final polish on the stones look really good. Easy instructions. This set works great. Number 4. National Geographic Rock Refill, Madagascar Gemstone Pack. This pack contains 3 pounds of raw rock sourced from Madagascar. It includes a variety of gemstones like rose quartz, labradorite, and jasper. The quantities of each stone may vary. The kit comes with 4 grades of grit: coarse, medium, fine, and polish. These are designed to transform rough stones into dazzling gemstones. It works with all rock tumblers. Included are jewelry fastenings to create your own custom pieces. You'll find a necklace, earrings, a keychain, and a ring. Use them to showcase the polished gemstones. A learning guide is included to teach you about these unique gemstone specimens. It's filled with amazing and fascinating facts about each stone. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied with it, let us know. We'll make sure things are right. What we like. This refill kit comes with real gemstones from Madagascar and 4 grades of grit to transform them. It also includes jewelry fastenings to create custom pieces. If you enjoy making your own jewelry or want a complete kit with everything you need, you should consider this one. What people say. Polished rocks very nicely and gets good results. Takes time but does a nice job. Comes with instructions so it's easy to follow. Number 3. Beverly Hills Farm and Safari Animal Figure Set. Introducing the Beverly Hills Farm and Safari Animal Figure Set. This pack includes all the characters you need to build your own imaginary zoo. It's a great way to spark your child's imagination. These animal figures stand out because they have movable joints. This feature makes playtime more interactive. They can move their heads and legs, adding a new dimension to fun. Designed with realistic details, these large animal figures are perfect for little hands. They're big enough for toddlers to hold and carry around. They can take them on adventures anywhere. Safety is a top priority. These animal figurines are made with high-quality, safety-tested materials. The large size makes them easy and safe to play with. These figurines are great for child development. These wild animal toys are perfect for kids ages 3+. The size and detail make them a toy your child can grow with. The set includes a lion, giraffe, hippo, kangaroo, rhino, zebra, polar bear, leopard, monkey, elephant, cow, horse, pig, sheep, goat, deer, camel, rabbit, dog, and cat. It's a complete collection for endless fun. What we like. These animal figures have movable joints, making playtime more interactive. They are also large and designed with realistic details. If your child loves animals and enjoys imaginative play, you should consider this set. What people say. They are carefully detailed and he has so much fun with them. The movable limbs make them even more realistic. Nicely made jointed animals. Perfect for toddlers' tactile hands. They are not too small, which so many are. My grandson is 5 years old and he absolutely loves them. He likes to move their legs to stand in different positions, and they hold their position really well. And they are just the right size for his hands. The details on them are really good and they seem really well made. Number 2. Madagascar Cake Topper, Alex, Marty, Melman, and Gloria. Get ready to celebrate with this fun Madagascar Cake Topper. It features Alex, Marty, Melman, and Gloria. This topper is perfect for any Madagascar fan. This set includes 4 iconic Madagascar figures. Each character is ready to bring the party to life. They are sure to be a hit at your celebration. The figures range in size from 2.5 to 3 inches tall. They are the perfect size for a cake. It will make your cake look amazing. This cake topper set comes with accessories. It is a great way to add some extra fun to your cake. They are sure to make your cake look even better. Please note that this product contains small parts. It is not intended for children under 13 years of age. Keep it away from young children. What we like. This cake topper features all your favorite Madagascar characters. It includes 4 figures and accessories. If you are planning a Madagascar-themed party, you should consider this one. What people say. The pieces are small but good quality. The characters look just like the movie. As a bonus, I used them on his birthday cake. You get 4 characters and a few trees. These are full-on solid plastic pieces that can be played with after the fact. La calidad de los juguetes es muy buena. Number 1. Madagascar Plush Toys, Hippo, Lion, Zebra, Giraffe, Monkey, Penguin. These adorable plush toys feature characters from Madagascar. You can pick your favorite or collect them all. They're perfect for any fan. Each plush toy is approximately 8 to 12 inches tall, making it the ideal size for snuggling. It's great for kids and adults alike. Feeling lonely? This plush toy is here to keep you company. It can help reduce stress and bring a smile to your face. Made with 100% brand new and high-quality materials, this toy is designed to last. It's a perfect gift for any occasion. We want you to be completely happy with your purchase. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. These plush toys are available in multiple Madagascar characters and made of soft, high-quality materials. They can accompany you or your friends through lonely time. If you are looking for a cuddly companion or a great gift for a fan of the movie, you should consider them. What people say. The toy is well made and durable. The design is very cute and appealing to children. The toy has interactive features that keep children engaged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.